Who's that?
My mom. She's like, your daddy wants to talk to you.
What's up, guys? We are on the way to Asheville, North Carolina right now. It is supposed to be incredibly snowy out there. Might not be our smartest move. Jim Cantor from the Weather Channel is actually heading out there right now, so we will see how that goes. It's certainly going to be an adventure, and I'm glad you're able to follow us on this journey and see how it goes. One might say it's a little snowy out right now. Would you agree? We just ran into Jim Cantor's Weather Channel van. Usually when that comes to town, it's a good sign that it's a time to leave. North Carolina just issued a state of emergency, which also means it's usually typically a good time to leave, but we're sticking it out, so it should be a good time. Stay tuned. It's a little snowy right now. There is snow coming down as we speak. The restaurant that we wanted to go to is no longer open, so we are trekking back to our Airbnb in the snow as we speak, hungry, tired, and a little drunk. Maybe not that hungry because we had a lot of food today, but we're gonna still find some more food. So we woke up to a beautiful snowstorm outside. It's about 30 degrees. Amanda's out here making a little snow friend. Now tell me this is not the most adorable snowman you have ever seen. So I decided, in the spirit of the holidays, why not build my own snowman, you know? I've never done it before. This would be a great time to do it. Yeah, check out how it turned out. Freaking beautiful.
Not at all.
I think mine definitely wins. Let's do a little bit of exploring and hopefully not get stuck.